Live in high definition from the area's most experienced news team. This is NBC29 HD News at 11.
First tonight, Christmas is certainly in the air for workers at one of Madison County's largest businesses. Madison Wood has turned traditional holiday cheer into competition where dozens of employees are becoming Santa's helpers. NBC29's Carly Kempler joins us live in the newsroom to show us how. Carly?
Good evening, Pete. All of the work that these guys have put in is really impressive. Several workers told me that they've come in on their days off and their lunch breaks to work on their holiday displays for a little bit of some friendly competition.
We really take the Christmas spirit here very seriously.
On the outside, this may look like an ordinary warehouse.
It started really nothing.
But on the inside, it's more like Santa's workshop.
Over the last 2 weeks, everybody just kept bringing in more and more, and then we ended up with this.
Lumber workers at Madison Wood have been like Santa's helpers over the last 2 weeks.
I just want their wives to take a look at the work that they're capable of doing with decorating, because I feel like every wife is going to be sitting at home being like, if you know how to decorate like that, then what are you doing at my house?
Each department has come up with their own design.
So it's like a little toy shop for Santa. And it is our workshop. It's where we do all our work every day.
Every day working on their display to compete with other departments on site.
It was easy at first, but over the last week, the competition's really grown on us, so we had to up our ante too.
Carl Taylor's workforce started the competition last year and says everyone is getting pretty into it. But don't worry, it's all in good holiday fun.
It's been very competitive. I'm glad to see everybody participating. It really shows everybody's spirit in the Christmas.
We ride around every day and check them out, see what they've done, you know, because a lot of it happens in the evenings.
Some even say the contest has brought everyone closer together.
I think it picks up spirits of all your men. Everybody's come together as more of a group. More of a workforce.
But regardless of this year's winner, workers say one thing is for sure.
Just be prepared for next year because it's going to be better.
Several employees from Madison County will be coming to this site on Thursday for a judging. The winners are going to get a free lunch and, of course, some bragging rights.
Carly Kempler starting us off tonight in the newsroom. Thank you, Carly.